Hey guys, it's Steph. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I edit my thumbnails. This video has been so requested ever since I started my YouTube channel, and I don't think I've ever done this video. Before we start, this video is actually a collab with Cameron. She makes such good videos and deserves so many more subscribers. So you gotta go check her out. Link to her video will be down below. She's doing something YouTube related as well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get PicMonkey for free. PicMonkey made their users end up having to subscribe to it and like pay a monthly fee, and I was like, no sis. So I ended up finding a new website to use, and I don't think anyone I know on YouTube uses this website except for like people that I told about it, obviously. But yes, if you want to stay tuned, I would love that, and let's hop right into the video. Okay, so first off, when it comes to importing my pictures, I just import them into the little photo app. So I just go into photos and I just import the pictures. You can see I have other past thumbnails here. I'm gonna blur out these people's faces because I don't know if they want to be in my video. But I normally just take a couple pictures. As you guys can see in this past video, I took a bunch, but so I decide which one I like the best, and if I'm stuck between two, I will just drag both of them. And what I do is I have to airdrop it to my phone. And now you guys can see I have my pictures right here on my phone. And the next step is to go onto Lightroom, which is a free app. I just use presets I found online for free. I think the people that I found them from are like Cheernastics or something like that. I think I kind of like this one where I'm kind of like, because it's more like different, if that makes sense. I don't know. And now I have to start editing. So if you guys want to go watch the Cheernastics video, I'll link it down below on like how to get the certain coloring that I do. Pretty much you just have to copy the settings on this preset and then go onto your picture and paste the setting. And then I just kind of adjust it to how I like. I make sure the brightness is all the way up so that I can make sure that I'm actually seeing the actual picture. So I'll just play around with the exposure and the vibrance usually, and like the whites. So when I'm happy with my picture, I will just save it to my camera roll, and I will go into the app PicsArt and start playing around in there. This is such a great app because literally you can like make such cool edits with it, and this is such like an underrated app. So I will just import it into PicsArt. I will click sticker, and I will just kind of find stickers that I like. I normally go with like stars or something. If I don't like any of these, I can just search up like gold stars, which is what I normally do. Gold star, oops. English, gold stars. And then I will find the one that I normally use, which is this one. And then I'll just kind of play around, fix up the stars to how I like. I always like duplicate the thing a bunch of times, so it's just easier for me. We'll go like that. And, oops. And like that. And maybe I'll duplicate it 2 more times. Like that, and like that. And then I like how you can use the eraser. So like if something's on my face, I can just easily go in and like erase it if I don't want it there. Ew, why does it make my scalp look like a dandruff? I'm pretty happy with how this looks, so I'm just gonna click apply, and then next, and then save. Then I'm gonna go back into my photos and airdrop this picture back to my computer. And then we're back doing computer work. This is the website you gotta go to if you want PicMonkey for free. So it's called like Ipiccy, IPICCY.com. This is a lifesaver. It's the exact same thing as PicMonkey. It almost like looks the same. So you click create a design. So I'm gonna click new and then select the size. So for my thumbnails, I do 1280 by 720. Create, so you're just gonna cover it up. So I go to upload image, put it in. Then I can drag the picture in. And I like to just like resize it, obviously. Why is someone using the blender? I'm trying to film. So then you can see this is the actual size of the thumbnail, and then I'm gonna go up here to where it says add text. You can just use PicMonkey and just screenshot it, but that's not gonna be good quality. So you can go to like the online section, or you can go to the local section. I'm not really sure the difference, but I know that local has fonts that you download, but I don't use the downloadable fonts on my thumbnails. So I'll scroll down until I see the font that I use in all my thumbnails. I personally use the font like Havletica Bold New something. This one. Helvetica New Bold Italic. And I'll go over here where it says type your text. So I'm going to type my text. This video is going to be my summer playlist. I need to think of like a fun title I can put on the thumbnail that'll be like eye-catching and people will want to click on it because that's the goal of the thumbnail. So I think my video title is something like the ultimate summer playlist, like songs you need this summer. So I'm gonna make the thumbnail say like, I could just say like songs you need this summer or something. Or I could just say like the ultimate summer, I'll just say the ultimate summer playlist. I'll do that, and I always like end up changing the words when I'm actually saving it. But I'll go down here to where it's like the color and I'll change it to white because I always do white on top of black. Really specific, I don't know. And then I'll click the stroke and the drop shadow. Then click this little wheel, and under stroke, I normally put it from like 11 to 13, so I'll just do 12. And then I'll change the color up here to black because I just prefer that. And then I can start changing the size of the text to a size I like. And I actually want to change the words. I'm gonna do songs you need this summer. Songs you need. Make the text a little bigger there. And then I'll right click duplicate. And then you'll see it'll go back into like some ugly font. So what you can do is just click on the font again. Click under color, I like the bottom line to be black. So I'll go under black, and then for stroke, I'll click the little wheel and turn it to white. I never touch the drop shadow for some reason. So under the text, I will have it say songs you need, so this summer. I don't know if I like that either, but I guess I'll keep it. So I make sure that the text lines are the same size, so 142 and 142, perfect. And I will just play around and see how I like the text to be. I could put it like that. And if I want to see if I actually like how it looks when it's smaller, I'll just click save. And then you can see like a little glimpse of like what the actual thumbnail size would be. I'm like not speaking English today. I'm not really sure what's wrong with my speech, but it's not working. I like that, but I actually think I like the word to be a little closer. I like that too, but I also kind of like how I did it the first time. I like this. And also, if this looks like a little plain, I like how it looks because it's all like the same color scheme. But I feel like I like a little pop of emoji. So what I'll do is I'll go onto Google. I'll do like a palm tree emoji sticker PNG. If you search up sticker with it, then it'll have like this little white background that I like. So I'll get out a full screen and I'll just drag this to my desktop. And then I also kind of want like a sun emoji. Sun, drag it down. And I think that's probably good. So I'll go under add photo, upload image, go to my desktop, and I'll just import these two emojis. And then I'll just play around and see how I like them fitting on the screen. I don't know, I'm not really feeling these emoji guys. I'm not feeling it. I'm just gonna take away the emojis altogether. And then when I'm ready and I like my thumbnail, I'm gonna go to save up top, save to my computer, right click, save image as, and I'll just do like playlist, thumb. And then I'm done, so I'll go into YouTube, insert my thumbnail, and that's it. So that is all for how I make my thumbnails. I hope you guys enjoy. And again, when you're making thumbnails, don't just like straight up copy me. You have to have your own twist on it. Get inspiration, don't copy, because if you're copying, then you're not gonna get subscribers because it's not original, if that makes sense. And yes, thanks for watching. Subscribe down below, subscribe to Cameron, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Ooh, yeah, ooh.